Hello international students, welcome to my YouTube channel Bash Ali Canada Immigration Tips. My YouTube channel is a source of providing qualified, experienced and only licensed Canadian immigration advice concerning any matters including students. I am also a proud member of ICCRC for the past 10 years. ICCRC is a regulatory body duly approved by Canada Immigration Department. Their members are authorized to represent all types of immigration cases with overseas visa officer, embassies, and in Canada, including study permits and spouse open permits. I also deal with a lot of international students who are in Canada because I am doing immigration seminars for multiple colleges in Toronto. Some of the colleges I present regularly immigration seminars to their international students, Lambton and Loyalist College. I come across many concerns and issues they are facing in Canada while they are pursuing their studies. And today's topic is very serious. This is about misrepresentation and 5 years ban on students. The way I'm sharing it, because it's very important, I come across feedback from students when they are here and when they are applying for their PGW work permit or they are applying for their PR, they are getting 5 years ban. Some of them are getting 5 years ban. And when they speak to me, when they discuss with me, and they share with me that once they are applying for their PGWP application or PR application, there is contradiction. Because when they are submitting their background and their profile and their immigration history for past 10 years, their employment details, their work permits, their work details, their study details back home. Unfortunately, when they got initial study permit in India or outside Canada, their agents, they were unauthorized. Unauthorized agents are a serious problem because they are not accountable. They are not obligated to anything. So what they are doing, they are lodging study permit files for students on student's name. They create student profile under student names because they are not authorized to represent with IRCC, with the study visa applications. So what they do, in order to get the study permit, not all, but some of them are lying. They misrep information, they submit non-genuine documents on behalf of students, and unfortunately students doesn't even know that because students have no access to GC key. They don't have access to their online account. They don't even know what is being submitted on their behalf to IRCC in support of the study visa application. So some of the agents are bolstering, exaggerating the facts, and they are writing SOPs. And they don't even share SOPs, unfortunately, with the students. And students are relying on them. And some of the agents are saying that they are either part of some IRCC or they will be lodging their file through IRCC, ICCRC members, not IRCC. So, but they are lying. They are doing everything in-house. They are doing everything on their own, and they are lying to their clients, students, that their file will be lodged by ICCRC member in Toronto or Canada. And what happens when they get the study permit filed under the student name, they can't even update the file. They can't even follow up. If there is a delay on the file, they have no right to basically communicate with IRCC because they are not authorized. They are not member of ICCRC. So in that case, there is a serious issue of miscommunication. But let's say, even if they are able to help the student get the visa and the student comes here, they don't know what happened in their file. They haven't seen, they haven't looked at the file. So down the road, once they complete the study and they are applying for their postgraduate work permit, they still have to declare 10 years employment history. Now they don't know what has been shared in their original profile back home. So then there is a contradiction. Then IRCC has a record. So they match. When they match, there is a serious material misinformation or there are some serious flaws in the file, which now the student doesn't know. But obviously at that time, when the file was lodged from back home, it was filed under the name of student. So now what IRCC is doing, they are refusing the PGWP application or a PR file at this stage because there is a serious contradiction in the file. There is misrepresentation. If let's say someone help back home, the agent has declared some experience that yes, this has worked for 2 years in that company, but that company doesn't exist. And now the student doesn't know that. And now they are not declaring that company because they don't know. So in that case, there is a serious misrepresentation. So causing 5 years ban. It's a serious issue. So my friend and students, from this video, through this video, I'm helping you, guiding you that please, it's a serious matter. It's a serious issue. Whenever you're lodging your file with anyone, please make sure they are authorized by ICCRC. They are member of ICCRC. It's very, very important that they should share your GC key, they should share your SOPs, they should share your file with you so you know what exactly you are signing on, because once it is submitted, it will be you on the hook, not the agent. So I thought with this video, I'm going to educate you, anyone who's trying to apply and planning to apply for study visa to Canada in this 2021, please make sure whoever you're trying to seek help from, make sure they're authorized. You have to control, you have to know what exactly in the application, because you don't want to face down the road a misrepresentation 5 years ban because you didn't know. You can't say, oh, I didn't know, someone helped me, someone agent helped me. It's not going to fly. It's a misrep, 5 years ban. Your career jeopardized. You came all the way, you spent so much money, studied, everything waste. 5 years ban, you will be deported from Canada just because you did not do your due diligence. You did not seek a legal advice because it's a legal issue. Your file, when it goes to IRCC, in Overseas High Commission, visa officer is making a decision based on Canadian law. So if there is any misrep at that time done by agent on your behalf and you don't know, you're on the hook. It's your career. You have to make sure you take care of it. You give it in the hands of someone who's authorized, someone like me. I'm in Canada for the last 20 years. I'm ICSC member. More than 10 years experience, helping a lot of students. I understand the law. I'll help you to officially represent your file. I'll make sure that your case is presented properly to IRCC because I'm authorized. So if you want to seek any guidance for your study visa extension, work permit, PR, or a new study visa file, please try to contact me. I have an office in Chandigarh, Sector 35B. My staff is trained. I supervise them and we provide a legal advice. We sit with you and we try to establish a roadmap for you to become PR through study visa, because that's a lot of PR pathways available. Only a licensed Canadian immigration practitioner can represent your interest and they can protect your interest. Study visa, admissions, we have tie-ups in Canada. Admissions are open now, September and May intake in Canada. So I would encourage to please contact if you're thinking of planning to come to Canada and achieving a dream to become a PR through study route. Please seek our guidance. We will guide you, we'll sit with you, make a roadmap for you in Chandigarh office. You can also contact me in Toronto. Either way, we're here to help you from student to PR. Again, at the end, be very careful. A serious matter, be very careful engaging in with unauthorized representative. They can jeopardize your career and they are doing it and they know that. But you should know that. You should take control. If you like my video, share with others. Please subscribe to my channel. It's so easy. I will be sharing more usable videos, useful information with a lot of students in coming videos. Till then, please take care of yourself. Stay safe. Thanks.